Ready to unlock a world of online shopping convenience? I'm going to guide you through creating your very own Amazon account, step by step. First, head over to Amazon's website. You can do this by typing Amazon.com into your web browser. On the home page, look for the Sign In button, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. This will take you to the Sign In page. Since you don't have an account yet, click on the button that says Create Your Amazon Account. Now, it's time to fill in your information. Start by entering your first and last name in the Your Name field. Next, carefully type in your email address in the email field. Make sure it's an email you have access to, as Amazon will send a verification code there. Now for the important part, creating a strong password. Enter your desired password in the password field and then confirm it in the re-enter password field. Choose a password that's at least 8 characters long and includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for added security. Double-check all the information you've entered to make sure it's correct. Once you're satisfied, click the Create Your Amazon Account button. Amazon will now send a verification code to the email address you provided. Check your inbox for this email. It might take a minute or two to arrive. Once you found the email, copy the verification code, then go back to the Amazon website and paste or type the code into the required field. After entering the code and verifying your email, congratulations! You've successfully created your Amazon account. You're now ready to start shopping. Happy browsing!